done is I've used the stamp and I've used Pacific Point, and I've used it to stamp some DSP quite delicately, which I absolutely love. And then I'm going to use the Berry Bears to stamp the little flower again from the Beautiful Peacock, because I just love it. And I thought I haven't used it enough. So I'm going to pop that in, and I'm going to do it again in the same colours. So I'm going to do it in the, I've forgotten what colour it was. Was it Berry Burst? Yeah. So I'm just going to pop that around. What I might do is just make my lid out of this. So 3.5 by 5. I need it 6 by 4.5. It's up to you which way you cut it. Some people probably watch me doing things and think, don't do it like that. I just say, do it however you want to do it. Live and let live. That's what I say. So 6.5 by 6 by 4.5 here then. So we're going to score it at 1.5 all the way around. It's a dinky little cute box, this. 1.5 all the way around. And then the lid, we're going to score it at 1, but we're going to just slide it 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. 1/6 of an inch, 16th of an inch away from the edge each time on the left hand side, just so that you make it big enough to go over the top of your box. My dog's under the table and I've just put my folder in. She nearly had a heart failure, so I put my scoreboard in. Cute little easy box this is. We're not doing rocket science, this is quick birthdays. Just check that I've got you. Actually, do you know what? I don't want to ruin my little box, so I'm not going to do the swirly sentiment thing. I'm going to go and get, I wonder if my little paper bag will fit in there. I'm going to go and get my fudge, and I'm going to do my sentiment. There we go. So there's that cute little box. And I'm just going to go and get some fudge. And that's all there is to it, just a cute little box. Really, really simple to make. Happy birthday box. And that's it. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.